Hi, it's me again. Getting the right template for your presentation is a plus to your public speaking skill. In this tutorial, I'll show you a valid website to get a better PowerPoint or layout for any presentation, even AI images for this purpose. Let's go. PresentationGo.com is the Canon website to get all your presentation layouts, from templates, charts and diagrams, text and tables, timelines and planning, and even AI images. You can modify and download any of the templates for free and modify them as you like. Maximize this website to your own benefit. Please like, share, and subscribe only on SoftGet.